Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the course of Python for Absolute Beginners. My name is Sheher Bano and in this series I am going to give you a complete knowledge about Python programming language. If you are a beginner and you have no knowledge about any programming language, then there is no need to be worried about it because I am going to create a complete playlist in which I will start from very basic concepts of Python and then I will move to the advanced level. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it and press the bell button so you can get notification whenever I upload a new video. In this video, I will give you a brief introduction about Python and a platform that I will use for practical implementation. So what is Python? Python is a very easy and simple language to use and learn. It is a versatile language because we can use it for many tasks of different fields like artificial intelligence, big data, data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, etc. Due to its power and versatility, it has become the best choice for beginners as well as for experts. Python is a programming language that allows you to learn the programming skills rather than getting confused with the syntax because the syntax of Python is much simple as compared to other programming languages. I think this is enough for Python introduction. Now let me tell you the approach that I will follow for teaching this course. So the approach that I will follow is consist of two parts. Number one part is theoretical part in which I will explain the concepts of Python, and the second part is the implementation in which I will implement those concepts. So for the implementation, there is no need to download any software because we can implement Python code on Google Colab, which is a platform that provides complete environment for executing Python programs. Let me show you the Google Colab. Open your browser and type Google Colab. Okay, while using Google Colab, make sure you have an internet connection and you are signed in with your Gmail account. Click on this link. It will show you the interface like this. After clicking on New Notebook, you will get a neat and clean notebook in which you can practice your Python programs. In this notebook, the first task you have to do is to change your file name. For changing your file name, you can move to the left here, and here you can type the name of your file, for example, practice underscore file. After this, you have to connect your notebook with the CPU. For this purpose, check on your right side. Here, click on this connect. It will connect your notebook with the CPU. Once it will get connected, we can work on our notebook. So this is a very basic thing in a notebook which is called a cell. In this cell, we write our code and we get the output. For example, if I write here 2 plus 2 and then I execute it, for execution, I will click on this icon. So I will get answer 4. Similarly, we will write our Python code in these cells and then we will get our desired output. So that's all for the introduction. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.